need is fresh strawberries, chocolate chips, dark chocolate, white chocolate chips, a tablespoon, some sprinkles, a bowl, and a knife, and this mixing thing and 2 plastic bags, and this cutter knife thing. Yeah, the first ingredient that we're going to do is strawberries, so wash them. And we're going to cut them. Yeah, cut them. We're going to cut 8 of them. So, 4, 8 of them. Put that over there. Put this in the Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. On and down his zero, but the wrong way on the say. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. On and down his zero, one that's on the train. Dashing to the snow, to the one that's on the floor. What's it called? It's ho-ho-ho. Sorry, what song should we sing? Christmas song, something Christmas. Right off the red nose reindeer, had the red shiny nose. I don't know that song. We are going to cut this.
너무 작잖아.
Just be quiet. And we're going to show them. Cut at least this much. I'm gonna like this. And cut the holes in the middle. Cut this part. Okay? How about you sing Silent Night, Holy Night? I don't know this one. Okay. Praise it, hallelujah. Roll the Lord like heart. Stop singing. Stop singing. Amazing. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Me? Yeah, Ellie. Ellie. E-L-L-I-E. And then what's your name? Kim. Just Kim. What's your name, Grace? Just Grace. Your name is Grace. Kim. How old are you, Ellie? Me? 6. How about you? Me? Yes. 4. Just 4. You're turning 5 soon, right?
Yeah. You almost turned to 6. No, 5.
Yeah.
And I almost turned to 3 more to go.
After we finish cutting this,
Yeah.
we are going to
Do something?
melt some chocolate in the microwave.
Nah. Not go bad. Yeah. Not go like this one?
No, that's the next one. But it will be gross, you know.
Nah.
Is it yummy? Is it yummy? No. Do you know what you're like?
Yes.
No. What's your favorite animal, Ellie?
Animals. It's
You have 10 seconds. 10.
cat and dog.
Okay, how about you guys?
Mommy.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I have 8 cut strawberries over here.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
7 that are not cut. So put half in a corner that you didn't cut, and get the cutted ones and get ready.
Yeah.
We are going to use chocolate first. Let's go in this. Grace, can you get this much like this and into the bowl, please? And then you can do the white chocolate, right?
Ma?
No. Get your hand. You will need 2.
Wow. 하나 먹어보자. Okay.
2. I think
That's
2 and a half. And a 1 and a half. Yeah, this much. Yeah, eat one of it. I think you can eat it. That's yummy.
yummy.
Yeah, and sing, please. Okay, we're going to talk about your favorite stuff. What's your favorite fruit? Start with you, Ellie.
Strawberry.
Perfect.
And
Pears. How about you, Grace?
Mango.
Grape.
And mango.
Mango. I like mango and strawberries. So you guys are going to talk about stuff.
I love potato and another potato. Minutes. Where I go?
The phone.
Huh?
Is it for 1 minute and 25 seconds?
I eat mango.
Okay. That's like a super hot guy.
Yeah, that's not a fruit.
That's like a poopy. So we're going to mix them.
Yeah.
Why are you eating the white chocolate, Silly?
Yeah.
Didn't get any.
Wow.
It's so yummy. Okay.
Louis,
I can't. That's so
I don't eat me. I don't never drink.
Grace, don't do mine now. Yeah, put it down, Grace.
I eat now, me.
It's done. So weird. And cut at the end. So cut at the end so that I can pour into the chocolate.
Yeah. Me.
First off, we're going to.
What like that?
Okay, it's going to go in for 1, 2. Okay?
Wait, no, no.
Just wait. 1. It's not coming out. There, okay. Oops, it's going to get a big mess here.
Yeah.
So this much
And
goes
if
up and it's finished.
what is up there?
What is Thailand?
Nice.
The chocolate part or the hard part? Yeah. We don't have that much chocolate, but get a chocolate. Then it depends on how big the chocolate is. That should be fast. It's going to melt. Okay. It's going to be like this. Open it. Bring it there. Put it in.
And put it
And spread it around.
spread it around.
Show them.
Like this. Okay. Understand?
Yes, we understand. When you put this chocolate on, yeah, and it will stick on after a few hours or so. So just relax it, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator after.
조심해. 네, 이렇게 Grace, do like this. Cover it.
Okay. We have
10 minutes.
we have 10 minutes, and we have 10 minutes until the camera's gone. So you have to work fast.
Gone?
The batteries. Okay. So for the white chocolate, it's going to be simple. Then the dark chocolate. So you are going to put the strawberries in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey Ellie. When I go, you have to sing. You have to sing.
Amazing. No.
Do you know Joy to the World?
No, I want to choose.
Okay, you choose. What song?
Everyone I got.
From top of my head.
No.
Oh, that song's so good.
I'm good. Everyone I lost in nothing. Everyone raising eyes in nothing.
You use the bad song.
Everyone says I take a rain. Everyone says raising eyes in nothing.
Watching